Meet Jane. Jane is feeling sad because she needs to go to work, but has nobody close to look after her children. She needs to find a daycare center she can trust and where her little ones can be happy. Thankfully, Jane found our child care center. She visited us and saw what a happy and well-equipped place it was. She was able to talk to our qualified staff and realized how dedicated we were to the welfare of the children in our care. Jane wanted the best for her children and knew she'd found it at our daycare. Now Jane is back working and happy in the knowledge her children are also happy, as well as making new friends in a safe and stimulating environment. Let us welcome your children into our family too. Come and visit us today.